Are you wondering what is going to get you from where you are now to where you want to be in your business? Maybe your business is brand new, whether it's making any money or not, but you are still in the early stages of your business and you look at other brands and you think, that's where I want to be. And I'm not just talking about on grocery store shelves, but it could be people at farmers markets, successful businesses there, could be online businesses, and of course in brick and mortar. So if you're wondering how you're going to get there, how you're going to build a profitable, successful business, I know you didn't start this business to just start an expensive hobby. You have big dreams for your brand. So I want to help you get there in this video. Hey there, I'm Sari Kimbell. I am the creator of Food Business Success, and I have helped hundreds of food brand entrepreneurs start an idea, launch their idea, or grow their packaged product to help them get onto retail store shelves, to get online, or even to be really successful at direct-to-consumer like farmers markets. Please take a minute to like this video, to comment below, and also to subscribe. It really helps me grow this YouTube channel and reach more people just like you. So when you're thinking about how are you going to be profitable, how are you going to be a successful food business entrepreneur, I want to suggest 3 words that will help you get there. What is the difference? Now, I don't want you to use this against yourself. I don't want it to be compare and despair. I've heard the quote, comparison is the thief of joy. So that's not what we're talking about. This isn't looking at other food brands and wishing and hoping and comparing and getting stuck in the beating yourself up. This asking yourself the question, what is the difference, and treating it more like a math problem, taking out the drama, this is what's going to help you get from where you are right now to where you want to be. So for example, let's take an example. If you're an early stage food brand, maybe you're just launching in farmers markets, or you've launched your business online, or you've even gotten into some small wholesale accounts in your local area. I want to encourage you to find brands that are where you want to be. Find them, whether they're on the grocery store shelves or they're doing a great online business, but find brands who really speak to you, and they don't have to be in the same category as you, but who are the brands that you admire? So then it just becomes a math problem. Here's where you are, and here's where you want to be. So what is it that they are doing that you are not? Again, this isn't about comparing and despairing and going into drama. This is just a list of everything. What are they doing? Are they posting once a day on social media? Do they have a great logo and brand feel and great photography? Do they have great packaging? Do they have an awesome website? Are they ranking high on Amazon? Are they putting out great content and email content? As a side note, I highly encourage you to sign up for email lists of brands that you admire and where you want to get to in your own business. So you have this list, and let's just say that it's posting every day some valuable content on social media. So you just have to decide, you just have to subtract, well, here's where I'm at, I'm posting once a week, and here's where they're at, they're posting 7 days a week, right? So then it just becomes a problem that you can solve. Well, if I want to get there, what's the difference? It's that I need to start posting valuable content 7 days a week. So it may be that you go too big though. So let's say you want to be a $1 million brand, and right now you're making, $5,000 in your business in sales. So It's great to go look at those people who are doing $1 million brands. I mean, go look at the Nut Pods and the Justin Peanut Butters and say, what are they doing? But it may be that you want to start solving for, how do I become a $100,000 brand or $250,000 brand? And I'm talking about in sales. So where you're at and where you want to be, let's start solving and working backwards for that. So then the question becomes, once you know what you need to do, then you need to ask yourself, am I willing to do this? Am I willing to take action, to put in the work, and to spend the money at times to get that result? This is just a matter of adding up the 10 problems. I think that there's 10 problems in every business to get to the next level that you want to be. So what are those 10 problems? Identify them. What is it that you need to do? What are the solutions? And then you have to ask yourself, am I willing to do that? So if you are willing to take action and you need some help with this, I am opening up a mastermind, and I am so excited for this mastermind. I encourage you to go check out the website. I will put the link below. But this is a place to start to help you get accountability, to help you get focus and structure of how you're going to get from where you are right now to where you want to be. We're going to identify that together, and then I'm going to give you so many tools, so many assignments to help you bridge that gap and achieve your growth goals in 2020. All right, so next time you are wanting to you see where you are right now and you know where you want to be, ask yourself those 3 words. What is the difference? Take out the drama, take out the comparison, and just get to work listing what those items are that they're doing that you are not, and then get to work. Be sure to check out all of the great videos, the other videos on this YouTube channel that are going to help you more with the fundamentals, all of those foundational pieces of growing or starting your food brand. And be sure to check out my tons of free resources on my website, including the free downloadable PDF, 10 Mistakes Food Brands Make and How to Avoid Them. So please, again, like and comment, also subscribe to this channel, and let's make your food business real.